So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So guys, I'm trying so well to limit the oil quantity I consume because I want to live a healthy life. So if you are with me, drop it in the comment section here. So what you're seeing here is akara or koose or beans cake. Yeah, so guys, with this I didn't do the normal frying. Yeah, I didn't do deep frying. And guys, this koose or akara or beans cake was so delicious. So let me show you how I prepared this yummy and delicious beans cake akara or koose. Yeah, so this is my beans that I have peeled. Yeah, as you can see, this beans is looking clean, and also I have onions and also scotch bonnet pepper. So here I'm going to transfer everything into my odogu Ninja blender. Yes, so if you don't have Ninja, get one for yourself. Yes, so I'm going to transfer everything into the blender, and then voila, we are going to blend it until it's very smooth. Yeah, so guys, I added my salt before blending. I don't want after then I'll start adding salt and be mixing. No, so I added the salt here. So here, as you can see, I'm still putting everything inside the blender. Yes, so once I'm done, I'm going to blend everything until it's very smooth here. So guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for always clicking and watching my videos. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. And please don't forget to always subscribe to the channel, please. And also, if you're seeing on our page, please don't forget to follow us for more videos. So as you can see, our mixture is ready, as you can see. So I'm going to use my mixer to mix it a little bit here. I want the akara or koso to come out very frothy. Yeah, so but guys, it was making a mess, so I had to stop here. So this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this pan to fry it. As you know, with this pan you don't need too much oil. Yeah, so I'm trying to limit the oil quantity I consume. So please, if you are watching this video, you can also do this. Limit the oil. Oil is not very good for our body, please. So as you can see, this is me. So I use olive oil, so you can use any oil of your choice here. So as you can see, I'm just making sure that I rub the oil very well so it doesn't stick. So the one in the middle, I'm not going to put any oil. I'm going to be putting water so that the akara doesn't go hard. Yeah, so as you can see, make sure it's hot. Yeah, your pan is hot before you start scooping inside it. Yeah, guys, this akara was so delicious. It was so yummy, guys. I tried this, and guys, it worked. It was so delicious, guys. I enjoyed this akara. I didn't know it was going to come out so good. So I didn't make a lot. Yeah, I made a small amount, and guys, I wanted more to eat, but guys, I didn't make a lot. So I think I'm going to be making more of this. It was so delicious. It was yummy, guys. As you can see, this is me scooping into the pan. Yeah, so once I'm done, I'm going to pour water inside the middle one. As you can see, the middle one, so I just poured water. So I'm going to cover it and lower my the heat or my stove so that it doesn't get burnt. So I'm going to cover it here. So at some point I saw one of it was very small, so I had to add a little bit of the dough, or let me say the mixture inside. So guys, as you can see, I've covered it very well. So I'm going to leave it and allow it do its magic here, guys. Let me trust me, this akara was so delicious. It was yummy. So at this point I came to check it, so I'm going to be flipping it to check here. Make sure, guys, you check on it. Don't leave it here. As you can see, the water, I check in the water, everything has gone. So I had to add more water here because I don't want my akara to come out very hard here. So as you can see how beautiful this is looking, guys. Tell me, why should I deep fry akara when I can make a shortcut, when I can make a healthy version of akara? Please stop frying akara. Do this way and you are going to love it. It was so delicious. It was very frothy, guys. As you can see how beautiful this is looking, guys. I enjoyed this with custard, and I really loved it. Yeah, I really loved it. It was delicious and it was yummy at the same time. So as you can see how beautiful it's looking, guys. So if you are watching this video, please stop frying akara. Stop frying akara. Frying akara was in the olden days. Now we are in 2025. So please stop frying akara. Instead, use this method and you're going to love akara forever. Yeah, try and limit the oil quantity you're consuming, because you know when you fry it, yeah, it takes a lot of oil. Yeah, so this is the best way you can fry or you can make your akara. So you keep checking it. So here, as you can see, I was checking it here. At some point I had to take one, guys. I said I was checking it, and guys, I ate everything. It was so delicious. So that one that you see me, so I'm going to bring that one out here. You see me taking it, so I'm going to eat that one off camera, guys. It was so delicious and yummy. So at this point I wanted this to cook very well, because I don't want it to cook and then after I open it, it will be very soft in the middle. No. So I lowered my heat. So make sure you will lower your heat so that it will cook very gently. So it will not cook it will not cook very forcefully, so that after you think it's cooked, you open it and it's very soft in the middle, and at some point it will get burnt as well. So make sure you lower your heat. As you can see, guys, this akara, guys, I don't know why I didn't know this all this while, and I was frying akara. You see me, I have stopped frying akara. So guys, at this point it's ready. Yeah, I can see it's ready. Yeah, it's ready. So guys, here as you can see, this is me bringing it off fire. Bringing it off, guys. Akara was delicious, my people. So this is it. See how beautiful this is looking. It was yummy. See how it's looking. So let me open one for you guys. See, guys, it was so delicious. I really enjoyed myself. So I paired this with custard, and I love it here. So if you're seeing this video for the first time, please don't forget to share and like this video. And if you're seeing on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. And if you're seeing on our page, please don't forget to follow us for more interesting videos like this. And please don't forget to drop us a comment. Our comments are very important to us, and also our likes are also important to us. Thank you for watching. Bye.